In today's video, I will walk you through how to get Brevo API key. To begin, open Brevo and log into your account. Once your account dashboard finishes loading, stay on the main dashboard screen where your account settings and management options are available. Move to the top right corner of the screen and locate your profile section. Your profile name will appear in this area of the dashboard. Click on your profile section to open the account menu options connected to your Brevo account. After the menu opens, continue by selecting SMTP and API. This will take you to the area where API settings and related configuration options are managed inside Brevo. Wait a few moments while the page loads completely before moving to the next step. Once the SMTP and API page appears, move through the available tabs shown near the top section of the screen. Continue by selecting API keys and MCP. Brevo will then display the API management section connected to your account. After the API page opens, move to the top right area of the screen and locate the option to generate a new API key. Click on Generate a new API key to continue to the API creation section. Once the API key creation window appears, move to the field where you can enter a name for the API key. Type the name you want to use for the key. In this example, the name entered is test. After entering the API key name, continue by selecting Generate. Brevo will then process the request and create a new API key connected to your account. Wait a few moments while the system completes the process. Once the API key is generated, the full API key will appear on the screen. Continue reviewing the displayed information and locate the option to copy the API key to your clipboard. Select the copy option if you want to save the key for later use. On the same page, you may also see the option to create an MCP API key. Continue reviewing the visible options shown in this section. After checking the available information, select OK to continue. Once the process is completed, the newly created API key and MCP key information will remain visible inside the API management section of your Brevo account. If any page takes a few moments to load during the process, wait for Brevo to finish updating before continuing to the next section. After the API key appears successfully on the screen, the process for getting a Brevo API key will be completed. Thank you for watching.